Today I'm going to show you in a brand new video how to make money off this avenue, and this is not in the public spaces yet, so you are lucky to get on board this early. So if you are ready, let me show you how and where you can make $500 just by watching videos. This is so easy that when you are done watching this video, you too can go right ahead and apply the steps I will be showing you, and you can make money daily. These methods are pretty revolutionary as they are easy, straightforward. It is important that you do not quit watching this video till the end and do not skip any of the steps I'm about to show you because you might miss some crucial and vital information regarding how to earn money on this platform. So if you are ready, let's go. This is how this works, basically. You first have to open the browser on any of your devices with internet access, then play some videos that will last for at least 1.5 minutes. And thirdly, earn money. With this method, you are guaranteed to make money because you can access any of these as a beginner with no experience or technical know-how. You can access this method to earn money from anywhere on the planet and get paid. You do not have to pay for registration or invest any amount of money as the whole process is free. The first thing you want to do when you open your browser is type in gg2u.org. This site is free and absolutely requires no fee to sign up. On the site, you can see at the top that you can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, playing games on the website, and many more avenues. So you see that you have to perform your everyday tasks on social media on this website. And the amazing part is GG2U will pay you for these simple tasks. In this video, we will focus on making money by watching videos, as that is the simplest method to make good money. Watching videos also has the highest revenue possibility and allows you to earn the highest amount of money possible. In the top right corner of your screen, you can see the option to sign up, and you will notice the $1 sign-up bonus for newcomers. To claim what may be the easiest dollar you have ever made, you just have to put in your basic details. You will see spaces to input your name, your valid email address, a username and password, and your country. You will notice that the space for countries has a toggle that you can click to display all the countries enabled on the app, and you can choose your own from there by clicking on it when you see it. After putting all this information in, the next thing I need you to do is to tick the box right underneath which gives your consent to abide by the website's terms and conditions. All that is left now is for you to click on the sign up option displayed at the bottom, and if all your information is valid, congratulations. You are a member of GG2U and you are set to make money. You now have your free account and your free $1. This website has options to get paid through. You can choose to get your money through PayPal, Bitcoins, e-transfer, and other electronic methods that guarantee the safety of your money. If you read the information on the site, you will realize that it has one of the highest paying rates in the world, with about 65% to 85% payment rates. This is in sharp contrast with their competitors, who have payment rates of about 40% to 65%. Now that you have your free account set up, you will notice a welcome message from the site. You will see that on the site you get to earn $1 every 100 coins that you make, and immediately your balance gets to $7. You can request a payout to your PayPal account or any method you have chosen. It is extremely simple. You can earn this money repeatedly and cash it out the same way. I believe GG2U is one of the biggest paying sites right now. I don't know about you. So stay with me as I show you step by step how to make this money. Now I need you to scroll down gently until you find an orange button that says click to continue, and click on that button. You will immediately be redirected to another page where you will see many tasks for you to do. Remember, for every 100 coins, you earn $1, respectively. The coin rewards are attached to every task so that you know what you are getting into and what to expect. You will see so many tasks that are easy for you to perform and earn good money. So explore the page and feel free to browse through these tasks to see the projects you can take on and get paid for. Do not forget that on GG2U, you are not limited to only one task. You can perform multiple tasks and work on different projects and get paid for each, but as I said earlier, focus on the task of watching videos because it is relatively easy and you can generate more income from it repeatedly. If you notice, when you scroll down, you will notice that some of these tasks are available for a limited amount of time. This means you have to complete these kinds of tasks within the stipulated time or you will not get paid. When you are done exploring that page, scroll down to the end of the page and on the left bottom corner, you will see I am done with this page. I need you to click on that and you will be redirected to a page where you can see all the tasks for making money watching videos and how much you earned. This page is basically your whole account dashboard. This is where you can track all your earnings and cash out as long as you reach $7. You will notice your account has only $1 in it, and that is from your free sign-up bonus. You will see a host of companies displayed on your dashboard. Now you can decide to click on any of these companies to see what they offer. For example, when you click on Send Media, it will take you to their official site, where you will see a host of tasks and activities that you can complete to earn coins. There's an option for shopping, taking surveys, free trials, and a lot more tasks. But since this video is about making money watching videos, none of that means much to us now except that you have an interest in doing those other tasks. So you can click the return option and it will take you back to the page where all the companies are displayed. From that page, you need to click on the videos option. You will be redirected to a page where you can begin to watch videos and earn money. As is written up there, you will receive 200 points. When you earn, you will receive a silver token which will add between $1 and $3 to your dollar balance. Now scroll down gently and you will see many offers and videos that you can watch and earn points for. Some of you will be expecting to watch some boring videos, but on the contrary, you will find that all the videos are superb viewing and very interesting to watch. So you are basically making money for watching what you like, and you get to choose what to watch. There are tons of videos that you can watch on different topics. Sports, celebrity videos, reviews, children's channels, technology, and a host of other interests. When you scroll down, you will see a button that says Load More Offers. When you click on this, many other videos will come up for you to choose from. The list is endless. Now, let me show you a real-world example of how to make money. For example, we are going to explore the Hideout TV channel. Scroll to the orange button on the page and click on it. This will immediately redirect you to the official site of hideouttv.co. Here you will see a host of tasks that you can do and earn coins for. You think this is amazing until you realize that there is a way that you can double or triple your income on this page by doing the simplest thing I'm about to show you. In order to do this, you need to scroll down to the video resolution options on the page and select the lowest resolution. After doing this, you can go ahead and open multiple videos on multiple tabs on all your devices. This means you can perform many tasks all at once and still get paid for them. You can do this on all your devices, and you can play as many videos as possible, thereby increasing your points generation tremendously. This, of course, means that you have to log in into your account on all the devices you are using so that the website knows it is your account performing all these tasks. Now you have to make sure to watch all the videos from start to finish because you stand the chance of not getting paid if you do not. And that is why you need to follow everything that I have just shown you in this video. So if you have done everything like I have said in this video, then congratulations because you are ready to start cashing out from GG2U, and it's so easy you can show another person how to make this free money.